Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope you guys would have seen the last video on how to use what if parameter in Power BI. Today we are going to concentrate on how to embed a video into Power BI that is available in Power BI service. So without much further ado, let's move on to Power BI service and see how we can able to implement this. So I'm currently in Power BI service under the Home tab. Now let's move on to my workspace. On that you will see new button, a plus symbol here. So once you click on this, you have multiple options. But for today we are going to concentrate on this dashboard and we are going to embed a video here. So just click on this one. So it is going to ask you for a dashboard name. Let's keep it one. Just create it. Now you will see a blank space because there is no tiles here. So let's create a tile. For that I'm gonna click on edit, add a tile, and it comes with multiple options. You have multiple sources here. Either you can have multiple media sources and also you can get it from the real-time data. So as far this video is concerned, we are going to concentrate on video part. Just click on the video, click next, then it going to ask for your required fields. So if at all if you want to display title and subtitle, make sure you're checking this box and click on title, whatever title you parameter and content here. So on video URL, if at all whatever video URL you are having, you just copy and paste it over here. I have pasted it here. Once you done it, immediately you will see on the left hand side the preview of it, a template kind of image. You will able to see it here. So again, when you come down, you can see the functionality part. So on functionality part, you have an option to set a custom link. So once you click on a custom link, you have an option like whether you can have a YouTube name or any other name as per your wish. You can able to keep it. Nor you also link this video to your dashboard or your report. So for that you have to click on this radio button and you have to select for which dashboard or report you want to link this one. So for now I'm not going to do so. I'm just going to uncheck this and I'm going to click on apply. So once I done, the beauty part of this is like this video plays here itself. So when I go and click it here, it gonna play you for you. Hey guys, welcome to this channel. In this channel, so this is the most beautiest part of this Power BI service on how we could able to embed it here. Let's say you have already created a dashboard. Let's go on here. The new temp. This is one of the dashboard which I already have. So if you want to add a uh, or if you want to embed a video part here, you can easily able to do it here. The same step, you just follow edit tag tile and you will able to do so. So the reason why you need to embed this is like it going to benefit multiple people. Let's say you have worked on so much on the reports, you have also recorded that, and when you want to share it with the other people, whether on how this has been calculated, what DAX has been used and how it is being used, and the reason behind that, if at all you have recorded that and you want to share it with your fellow mates, then you can record a video and you can embed that video somewhere in your dashboards or in your report. That will add more value to you and for the receiving end as well. Hope you guys loved this session. Until we meet again, goodbye. Take care.